BJP Manipur President Thaunojam Chawa reacts to Sanjit fake encounter case for the first time, demands Chief Minister's resignation. 4-month awareness campaign on mother and child health concludes. Gaikhangam urges mothers to take care of their baby's health. And Francis Nazokpa urges people not to disturb development work in the state, especially in the hill districts. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Primetime News. I am Subham Ranita with the top stories and latest news at this hour. BJP Manipur Pradesh President Thaunojam Chawa, who is now in New Delhi, has reacted for the first time in the Sanjit fake encounter case after the confessions by suspended Head Constable Thaunojam Herojit hit the headlines in national television and newspapers as well as local television and dailies a few days ago. In a press release issued from New Delhi today, Chawa said cases are going on in the apex court of the country in connection with the death of more than 1,500 persons in fake encounters in the last 30 years. He said more than 1,200 persons were killed in fake encounters from 2002 to 2012 during Okram Ibobi Singh's government. Sanjit and Rabina were killed in a fake encounter on the morning of July 23, 2009. Thaunojam Chawa demanded the resignation of Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh as he was the Home Minister during the time of the incident in 2009. T.S. Chawa also demanded suspension of Imphal West SP A.K. Jhalajit until the case is solved. The BJP leader also said as Herojit has confessed that he has killed Sanjit, several truths will come out during the course of investigation. BJP Manipur Pradesh has appealed for speedy investigation into the fake encounter by the Government of India and punishment for all those involved in the killing.
Party president so Hairame, Ramadov so Hairame, everyone so could be there. Hardly when we have to Assembly House, Assembly floor, Shiva Tari Kulumbashi Kumari floor of the House Manipur Assembly, position and CM Harpanatana, the pilot here, Hairame. And this Harpanatana, violate, heavily encounter the company, Maru Hydrotana, Leon in the field. I don't need encounter any highway encounter with them there, head or a map, head encounter or a map. I do already house mystery, Rajada mystery, I don't know Marijan to go in Sinella. My responsibility, and the responsible over door, but to come to the gentle completion.
Protection and Preservation Committee convener Dr. Y. Manikhuman has stated that the confessions by suspended Head Constable Thaunojam Herojit has revealed that the state force committed terrorism in the state. Speaking exclusively to Impact News at PPCM office at Wahangbam Lekai, Dr. Manikhuman said the confessions of Herojit that he killed Sanjit with a service pistol as ordered by his senior officer cannot be considered as concoction. He also urged the state government to investigate into the case to find the truth and punish the guilty.
Live trends the yam auditor ba miyam na yam saying na tarang na khangnar ba aran ba yam na terrorist ba terrorism ki activities me am state na sathar ya se masin amuk ka hena maik seng na gani ya bisma ai hainingi anu masi athu matam da state government na support tawsilaga CBI da corporate torga hariba asengba culpritsing buthok tagadi miyam gi tension no no gi hegalakna chokwa wathok lama lakani habisma koi market ki PPCM market ki thamjaningi.
Kuki Students Organization KSO and All Naga Students Association Manipur Ansam have called for indefinite highway ban from midnight of February 1 on National Highway 2, National Highway 37 and National Highway 150. The ban has been called after government failed to give positive response to a memorandum submitted to regularize the service of the Hill District's contract basis teachers 2006 batch under the Directorate of Education S and to solve acute shortage of teachers in Hill schools. The student body said the ban will not affect the inter-district passenger vehicular movement. However, vehicles carrying goods and commodities on the highways will not be allowed under any circumstances. The 4-month awareness campaign on Mother and Child Health and Mission Indradhanush 2015-2016 concluded today at Lamyanba Sanglen Palace Compound. The event was organized by Directorate of Publicity, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Regional Office, Nagaland and Manipur. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam emphasized the need to create awareness among the mothers about how to take care of their health and their babies. He also said only when people become aware of the various schemes of the government for the welfare of mothers and the children, progress and good administration can be achieved in the state. A report on the awareness program was also released at the event. Sagobal MLA R.K. Emo, Regional Director of Health and Family Welfare Government of India, Dr. Asha Nanda were among the attendees. Dr. Asha Nanda spoke on the role of the mothers in maintaining the health of the children and to give timely vaccinations against various diseases.
सरकार करी तौरी ऐसे प्रजा सिंह थंग बगी में हक ले है हक तो खाओ कोई डिमांड तो दे इंफॉर्मेशन से टू प्रोंग अप्रोच पे गया प्रजा ना अपना में करी नो न गवर्नमेंट खंग बने गया बनी गवर्नमेंट करी तौरी ऐसे प्रजा ने खंग गया अनि मक्स क्रिस क्रॉस एंड अंडरस्टैंड तो ना मकाना मधुदा बेटर इन्फॉर्म सोसाइटी एंड बेटर गवर्नेंस लेबर गवर्नमेंट ना People's government
Dynamic Manipur today organized the 10th Science Inspiration Program on the theme Promoting Science and Technology at Hotel Imphal. Dynamic Manipur General Secretary R.K. Somyo said the program was organized to give awareness on science and technology to students of class 9 to 12. Students from around 20 higher secondary schools of Valley districts participated in the program. Manipur University Physics Professor H.S. Dorendro, Education Department Science Promotion Officer R.K. Kennedy and Mustec Scientist Officer Dr. L. Dinachandra among others attended the program.
Ngasigi thimsina koi promoting science and technology samasida koi chakot pa haibasi koi science samasung technology mating na natragadi chakot pro paising amde na koi hallaman adagi leiriba chaniriba mayam se si discuss tawraga koina pekha gi mamang da haider class 12 thari mamang sida anga mayam da pekha thari ngai sida magi some well preparation hoina ba kai dora yagadagi haibagi tanjama sigi programs sinjabani.
4 elected independent councillors of Lilong Nagar Panchayat have joined the Bharatiya Janata Party today. A felicitation ceremony was held at the quarter of Thongju MLA Thongam Bishwajit in Sanjinthong. 4 independent councillors of Lilong Nagar Panchayat along with BJP councillor were felicitated today. BJP Manipur Pradesh State Executive Member Ningombam Neelakumar announced that BJP will form the next Lilong Nagar Panchayat Council.
The BJP party bu thajabadagi party sida merge toksanjaraga hojik BJP gi oba sarkar ma sembjida yaugani haidna koi sangminnarakna ngasinga simak sarkar si semnanabagi koi ready tawba loire Lilong Nagar Panchayat ta yamna mating leiba yamna shakti leiba praja gi swata da thabak torokadaba body ma soidana Nagar Panchayat ma semane ha party gi oiba chana kanglon gi matungna koi athuba matamda government na pirakpa piriba matam koi February gi tang 8 sida wasak lauraga soidana mai pagna sarkar si semagani habagi thajabasi leire.
Information Center for Hills Area Manipur ICHM has demanded that the authorities should conduct survey on the Indo-Myanmar border in Chandel and Ukhruk districts for border fencing with the representatives of the villages, local bodies or ICHM. ICHM said no survey will be allowed without the participation of people's representatives. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, ICHM President Nongthombam Rajendra said Committee on Protection of Land Border Fencing and ICHM had urged the Chief Minister and Governor of Manipur to construct the fence at 0 point in 2013 when they found that the fence would be constructed more on the India's territory. He said the construction stopped as there was uncertainty. Rajendra added that suddenly on December 20 last year, 2 representatives of Surveyor General of India and 5 representatives of Myanmar conducted survey without the knowledge of the villagers. He said the state government has remained silent. Rajendra stated that 43 villages are likely to be affected in Ukhrul and Chandel districts by the fence and appeal for construction of the fence at 0 point.
Manipur government akoi da pikiba comment akoi thajade all political party kai chat khreng asi satang amadi more dagi na horkan da choro abab 70 gi maya se sibauda karigumba akoi na hana thamkiba local body yahondraba aduga village chief sing yahondraba akoi any condition amada akoi survey to bola koda ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯆꯝ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯗꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯤꯟ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯊꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯤꯈꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯅꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯏꯠ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯟꯗꯔꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯒ ꯑꯟꯗꯔꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯟꯗ ꯊꯤꯡꯍꯜꯂꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯗꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯈꯔꯒ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯒ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯖꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯩ
Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Minister Francis Nazokpa today urged all concerned not to disturb development works in the state, especially in the hills. Speaking to media persons after inspecting the construction of 18-kilometer road stretch from Chandel district headquarters to Anal Khulen, the minister said bunds and other protests are carried out to ensure quality of the work in the valley, but in the hills development projects cannot be taken up due to monetary demands by some organizations. MLA Victor Nunglung, who accompanied the minister, appealed to the contractors to complete the work as scheduled. The MLA said if the work is not completed according to the schedule, then there would be inconveniences and the work tender would be re-tendered. MSRRDA Chief Engineer and Babu Chand said the visit was made to re-tender the work to ensure quality as the quality of the road is very low.
ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯥꯏꯅꯁ ꯂꯣꯝꯗ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯖꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯁꯤꯜꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗꯨꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤꯁꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯥꯏꯅꯁꯇ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯕꯦꯔꯥ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯥꯒꯅꯤ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯤ ꯏꯟ ꯆꯥꯟꯗꯦꯜ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯗ ꯍꯣꯜ ꯏꯟꯇꯥꯌꯔ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯃꯥꯏꯅꯁꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯕꯤꯗꯕ
ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ -30 ꯅꯤꯌꯔꯂꯤ ꯊꯥꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯔꯤꯇꯦꯟꯗꯔ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯔꯤꯇꯦꯟꯗꯔꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯔꯃꯦꯜ ꯋꯥꯔꯀꯤꯡ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯗꯨꯜꯂꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯥꯏꯅꯁ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯥꯖꯤꯜꯂꯛ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯒꯥꯏꯗꯂꯥꯏꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯗꯤꯁꯦꯡꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯀꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯅ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
Minister Francis Nazokpa said there is a big difference in work mentality between the people of the hills and the valley. He said the government is giving special attention to the development of the hills and asked the contractors to work properly rather than thinking of profits only.
ꯇꯝꯄꯥꯛꯀꯤꯗꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯁꯨꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯕꯟ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯁꯨꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯨꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯇꯤꯀꯥꯗꯥꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯨꯕꯒꯤ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄꯒ ꯇꯦꯛꯁ ꯂꯧꯕꯒ ꯁꯥꯏꯃꯜꯇꯦꯅꯤꯌꯁꯂꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯨꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯗꯦꯕꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯦꯕꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯚꯦꯟꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁꯁꯤꯗ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁꯦ ꯀꯟꯇꯤꯅ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁꯅꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯗꯦꯕꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁꯦ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟꯁ ꯄꯤꯗꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯄꯤꯌꯦ ꯄꯤꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ 80% ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗ ꯔꯣꯗꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯌꯦ ꯔꯨꯔꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯐꯤꯛꯅ ꯀooperation ꯄꯤꯌꯣ ꯇꯤꯀꯥꯗꯥꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯎꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯤꯠ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯎꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯤꯠꯇ ꯀꯥꯜꯀꯨꯂꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯊꯕꯛꯇ ꯀꯥꯜꯀꯨꯂꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯗꯦ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯂꯣꯏ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯅ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯟꯁꯔ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ
Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol, CADA, will support and participate in the mass rally to be organized by AMACO, UCM and CCSK on the 6th of next month for the common future of Manipur. In a press release, CADA said its units and district committees will extend cooperation to finance, publicity, transport, subcommittees of the organizing committees to make the rally a success. It also said it would urge the clubs, Maya Paibis and other organizations to participate in the rally. On the other hand, Committee on Human Rights Manipur will also support the mass rally for common future of Manipur. All Manipur Ethnical Socio-Cultural Organization (AMESCO) has also decided to support the mass rally for common future of Manipur. Pangal Political Forum has asked all Pangal Manipuri Muslims organizations, clubs and associations to take part in the rally. Additional Chief Engineer of Common Area Development Committee K. Manoranjan presented a computer set and a printer to all Manipur Working Journalists Union (AMZU) at a function held at Manipur Press Club today. Manoranjan expressed his gratitude to the journalists of the state and said he would extend possible helps to the media persons in future too. Manipuri Students Federation under the 18th Federal Executive Council election 2016-2017 elected Saichal Rengs Naisen Karam as External Affairs Secretary, Mayon Singh Kachai Awongshi as Assistant Secretary Organization and R.K. Nicholas Karam as Executive Member. Caesar Clinic Thoubal conducted a free stone detection camp yesterday from 9 a.m. to 12 noon at K3 Sanglen, Thoubal. A team led by Dr. Jigwendro Sorokhaibam, Consultant General and Laparoscopic surgeons, Caesar hospitals provided free consultation during the camp. Detailed examinations along with free ultrasound screening were conducted for 33 patients. Risk scoring for kidney and gallbladder stones, counseling and distribution of information booklets were the highlights of the camp. Free stone detection will be held on the last Tuesday of every month at Shida Clinic, Thawal. The camp was organized as part of the Caesar Outreach Camp. Renowned theatre personality Ratan Thiam's Manipuri play, Macbeth, will open the 18th Bharat Rang Mahotsav in New Delhi. Bharat Rang Mahotsav is National School of Drama's annual theatre extravaganza, where 50 international and 65 Indian plays will be staged. With the theme of rediscovering the magic of theatre, the 21-day festival, which begins from February 1, has introduced a theatre bazaar and masterclass from veteran thespians. Participating countries include China, USA, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Australia, Austria and Italy. There is also a Pakistani play this year. In an effort to highlight the relevant issues, the festival will incorporate seminars on diverse topics such as rediscovering the magic of theatre, today in today's theatre and emerging trends in Indian theatre by eminent personalities such as Rajit Kapoor, Mohan Agassi, Ram Gopal Bajaj, Kapila Vatsayan, Adur Gopalakrishnan, Sonal Man Singh, Indira Partha Sarathi, Jabbar Patel and Nana Patekar will feature in the Living Legends series. A special performance of theatre music by NSD Repertory Company will bring the curtains down on February 21. Voice of the East, a multilingual magazine, was launched today at Officers Colony, Sanjinthong. It was released by Parliamentary Secretary, Horticulture and Soil Conservation and CADA, Wongzazin Waite. Publisher of the magazine, Lin Gangte, said the magazine is published multilingual so that people both in hills and valley can read it. He said the magazine would attempt to strengthen the bond between the valley and the hills.
Ching haiba tam haiba mi pot to the disparities like the nai. Eko amatani heavy pot to the coin as he pots it. Simaga. A silly pot, a magazine said the Chingy voice and Tangi voice in the development voice no issue to one to a Putora Pahitale. I don't know. Highly Bapot said a magazine said, a Nasib House, a time and again, a editor the Hibadi. Karigumba Poma Legadi, me amagi interest to Haiba. Ado mi amagi society gi wakan nungai taningai potudi koi phongoi.
A 6-day regional painting camp began at the mini conference hall of Directorate of Arts and Culture Palace Compound today. The camp is jointly organized by Lalit Kala Academy Regional Centre Kolkata and Manipur State Kala Academy. 10 painters from Manipur, West Bengal, Meghalaya and Assam are taking part in the camp. Lalit Kala Academy Regional Centre Kolkata Regional Secretary Siddharth Ghosh was the chief guest of the inaugural function today. Manipur University of Culture Vice Chancellor N. Khagendra said the camp will broaden the horizon of the painters taking part in the camp. Huyen Lanpao Group of Publication will give Huyen Lanpao Literary Award 2015 to I. Basanta for his short story book, Thamoina Maka Lamlak Labada. The award will be presented on February 13 at a function to be held at Huyen Lanpao Literary Hall. The award carries a certificate and Rs 10,000. The results of short story competition for students from higher secondary school to university have also been announced. The prizes will also be presented on February 13. New models of Vespa 150cc, Vespa XX SXL 150 and Vespa VXL 150 were today launched at Tulsi Motors showroom at Thangmeban DM College Road. Piaggio Vehicles Private Limited and Tulsi Motors jointly hosted the event. The launch of the two new models of Vespa 150cc followed the successful launch of Vespa LX, VX and Vespa S in Manipur. Now the news from the world of sports. ARC Shillong and FCI Northeast beat their rivals in the second W. Thoibi Devi Challenge Hockey Men's Open Tournament. In a league match played today at Khumman Park Hockey Stadium, ARC Shillong trounced CO Singzamei Wangma 16-2. In the second league match, FCI Northeast trashed Meira Basikhong 9-4. 11 teams, including 4 teams from outside the state, are competing in the tournament. In the 20th league match of the second elite cricket tournament played today, Re Young Star Nagamapal beat Kasar Road Athletic Union Khamnam Leirak by 90 runs. Winning the toss, Re Young Star Nagamapal elected to bat first and made 185 runs in 30 overs. In reply, Kasar Road Athletic Union Khamnam Leirak made only 95 runs for 9 wickets in 30 overs. Re Young Star Nagamapal all-rounder Mintu Chandra was declared the man of the match. Champ Khagempally will play Trao Kwakaithel in the 21st league match tomorrow. Cyclone Thangmaiban will clash with Champ Khagempally in the final of 3rd 2020 Manipuri Veteran Cricket Tournament. In the semi-final play today, Champ Khagempally won the toss and elected to field first against Dynamic Sporting Union Kwakaithel. In the given 20 overs, Dynamic Sporting Union Kwakaithel were all out for 91 runs. In reply, Champ Khagempally made 92 runs in 14 overs, losing 7 wickets. Champ Khagempally's all-rounder Tej Banta was declared man of the match. The tournament is organized by Manipur Veteran Cricket Association and final match will be played on the 31st of this month. 14-day non-residential sports coaching organized by Hengang Kendra Sporting Union concluded today at Luang Sambam Nitsu Ground. Boys and girls below 14 years were given coaching on thangta, football, hockey, archery, sepak takraw during the camp which started on the 14th of this month. Hengang MLA and Biren and HKSU President P. Brojendro were among those who attended the concluding day today. Gifts were presented to coach, athletes and trainees on the last day. MLA Biren said it is time that parents encourage their children to take up sports besides school education. He also urged the parents to give due attention to the development of the talents of the young children.
Computer is the education I was a young education yam moral health masagi patraba character yaudrogadi mukari kanari ado sige son ngasigi sports movement ga khoina sida sample isidi anang singsi marakta society ki marakta discipline moi masen ki marakta discipline lainana ba thaksi kasi nainana ba masra mau phanana ba maru bang dinaba karamba behave karamba wahi wata satkadagi madugi society ma form tongnal honor ko da sang da ya masak sing dune ba ngase koina anga ken sporting union na or sports movement ki or social activities ma yana honor ise.
Locals of Sejang, under the guidance of Sejang Progressive Club today, did ground levelling to make a proper playground for the area. The program was organized by Okchin Lakpa Ground Management Committee. Around 320 people took part in levelling of 40,000 square meter playground. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. BJP Manipur President Thaunajam Chauba reacts to Sanjeet fake encounter case for the first time, demands Chief Minister's resignation. 4-month awareness campaign on mother and child health concludes. Gaikangam urges mothers to take care of their babies. And Francis Nazopa urges people not to disturb development work in the state, especially in the hill districts.